Bob. Yeah, it's me, Fast Eddie. So, as many of you know, I've been complaining about my A1 jig that I use to install deadbolts and knob locks with. I've had it now for 18 years. I think originally when I purchased it, it was $225, but it's getting really worn out. There's not much left of it. My biggest issue over the years is that A1 Manufacturing, who made this jig, went out of business. Many have told me that Framin Manufacturing produces the very same jig I use. I've looked at other jigs over the years. The prices keep going up. I'm not a fan of Kwikset, for example, because it wears out and breaks too easily. Framin goes for $425 these days. I thought, wow, that's a lot of money for a jig. But then we did the math on my old jig. Typically, I do 5 fresh installations per week. Now, over 18 years, that comes down to 4,680 installations, somewhere around there. Yeah, that's a lot. You think I got my money's worth? Well, I looked at the Framin Manufacturing, the Bullseye installation jig, and it is exactly like the A1 that I own. So what I did today was I bought one. Yeah, brand new. $425. It's nice. And this is what I'm used to. I'm still not happy that I spent $425 on it, but I guess I'm getting cheap in my old age. But I do know what works. So Framin Manufacturing Bullseye installation jig is the way to go. $425. Listen, I know it'll last me the rest of my career. Am I happy with my purchase? Yeah, I think I am. But with this jig, I'll be able to provide the same quality service I always have over the years. So Framin, thank you. Fast Eddie here. You guys have a great week. I know I will. Bye-bye.